thank you so much. Napakasarap na pagkain na inanda sa amin. At napakasarap, sobrang fresh, nakakabusog.
To be a leader, you have to be a follower as well. So I have to be a good follower in order for me to lead and to inspire other people and to create a movement.
Every one of you made an impact to me. Kung alam niyo lang kung gaano ako kasaya na every time na lahat kayo nakukonect niyo yung kwento niyo sa akin, grabe po yung kilig ko. Grabe talaga.
We are a family.
Yes, yes.
And this is a movement. And I'm grateful for the award, seeing me as a people that you could be comfortable with, that you can be vulnerable with. To hell and back, I will be that same person. Thank you very much.
Hindi ako gano'n ka-expressive ng tao. Pero dito talagang thank you. Actually, lumami yung kaibigan ko. Yeah! Okay. Expected ko na naman matututunan ako, kaya nga nandito ako eh. Pero yung hindi ko expected, yung makilala ko yung iba't ibang tao na galing sa iba't ibang lugar, na may mga iba-ibang posisyon sa buhay. At sana, kung makakapag-cross man ang landas natin, sana hindi natin makalimutan yung isa't isa.
Yeah! Lahat tayo winner. Bakit? Dahil nandito tayo. At gawin natin siyang inspirasyon. Lalo na yung vision nila, Master, is makatulong sa ibang tao na umangat. Gamitin natin to inspire every friend natin, yung mga business partner natin to join. Kasi bakit? Kung tayo natulungan, matutulungan ba sila? Yes!
It doesn't matter where we came from, past natin yon. At it doesn't define who we are. What defines us is where we're going. And we know for certain, lahat tayo magiging successful. Are we claiming that? Yeah! There we go! Yes! We all gotta be successful and we're gonna make history together. Yeah. Are you guys up for the challenge? Yeah! Yun! Salamat po.
As always, over-deliver yung promise nila, Master. Tong bootcamp na to, nagpa-realize sa akin kung gaano ka-importante yung ginagawa ko.
Lahat po ng kailangan ko, nandito na. Naibibigay na po nila. Lahat-lahat.
Hindi lang pang professional, but it also targets yung personal growth ko. And then, at the same time, nagkaroon lalo ng clarity yung mga goals ko na gusto kong magawa.
In one word, it's really over-deliver. And aside from that, so sobrang worth it.
At feeling ko, I am seen, I am valued, and I matter here. Kaya sobrang masaya ako sa bootcamp na to. very powerful. Kasi with the tools that they have, talagang maraming marireach ang program na ito, ang bootcamp na ito.
So ito ay malaking factor bilang isang negosyante na meron kang mga tao sa paligid mo na nakakaramdam ng mga experiences na pinagdaanan mo bilang negosyante.
Hindi ganito yung in-expect ko eh. Ang in-expect ko kung ano yung nasa online session, ganun lang din yung gagawin dito. Pinagkaiba lang is magkakasama. Pero iba ang lalim eh. Ilang beses na akong pinaiyak.
Sobrang wow. Grabe yung binigay nilang effort, the master, yung mga binigay nilang effort para sa amin. Yung knowledge, lalo na yung knowledge to grow.
Ay, grabe. Sa 3 days na training, kumpletong-kumpleto kung paano ko magagamit ito sa aking negosyo. From start to end, automated na automated.
They are always over-delivering, and I feel I am really valued here and taken care of very well.
Sa lahat ng aspiring na merong isi-share sa mundo, ito lang yung way para scale natin kung ano man yung knowledge or skill na po pwede natin ibahagi.
I will recommend this bootcamp to every entrepreneur or those who are planning to start their own business na ito lang yung kailangan yung bootcamp to really scale your business.
Hindi lang ako natuto sa mga masters na nagbigay ng value sa amin, but I was also able to give value to others. This is not just an ordinary seminar.
I will really recommend this.
Hindi lang basta recommend, kundi talagang 100% promotion ang gagawin ko dito.
Business digitalization is the key para mag-continue lumago ang business mo.
Kasi malaki yung matutulong niya to enhance pa at magkaroon pa ng other project, other possibility, big opportunity para sa lahat.
Kaya nire-recommend ko talaga itong bootcamp na ito 1,000%. Good job and well done. God bless po at gantihin kayo ng Panginoon sa mga kabutihang ginawa nyo sa aming lahat.
Ay, syempre, i-recommend ko to sa lahat ng tao na gustong kumita.
Lalabas na ako sa Facebook para lang talaga i-introduce, ipakilala itong na to para mas marami pa silang matulungan.
I will 100% recommend this.
Somehow I felt proud of myself that kaya ko pala.
Master Trio over-delivered kung ano yung sinasabi nilang makukuha namin dito. They go beyond doon sa mga pinapromise nila. 1,500%.
Dito na realize ko kung ano talaga yung deeper purpose kung bakit ko ginagawa yung ginagawa ko.
I will recommend this bootcamp sa lahat ng aspiring na negosyante na gustong i-digitalize yung kanilang produkto.
Ito na yung tama. Huwag ka na maguluhan. Dito, ito yung tamang sangkap. Okay? Kaya dito na kayo.
If business owner ka talaga at struggling entrepreneur and even bago pa lang sa field ng business, I highly recommend this kasi marami kang matututunan.
I will surely recommend this bootcamp. That's why I'll also choose to become the ambassador of the Business Digitalization Philippines because I know and I believe for the movement of this Digitalization Philippines.
Guys, we need this. I know I need this, but you need this more than I do. So join.